Ready for some science time? Science time! Alright, so today I thought that we could make something that we could actually play with and eat. That sounds pretty cool. So all you need today is a bowl, plastic spatula or spoon, some peanut butter, some honey, and some dry milk. Okay, you guys ready? Let's do some peanut butter Play-Doh. Alright, this is how we're gonna start it. So, I'm not really much for measuring. I know that's super horrible. Yeah, scientists and bakers should all be measuring, right? But you know me, I just like slop it in there. Alright, so I'm gonna get some peanut butter and put it in a bowl about oh, by the way, you know me, right? We're gonna get messy, so you might want to have some napkins around. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add in some honey. Dry milk. So you just take some. Again, I'm not really measuring too much. You'll know if you have too much or not too much by how it feels. It's good. We'll see how that is. Well, now all we're gonna do is stir it up. Okay guys, before you do this part, make absolutely sure, well you should have at the very beginning of the video, but make very sure that you wash your hands with soap. Remember we had that one about soap? So make sure you wash your hands really good with soap. I'm actually gonna take my ring off for this. Gives you an indication. Just squish it with your hands. Now we have the peanut butter Play-Doh ball. Now you just take pieces off of it and you make it into anything that you want to make it into. Use your imagination. Unlike a lot of other edible science experiments, this one actually tastes really good, and it's a really good source of protein for you. You have the milk and you have the peanut butter and honey. It's a great snack that packs a punch with protein, and it's pretty fun to play with. So I also decided to add a little bit of food dye to mine. It gets a little messy, but I mean, it's science, right? Check out that one. That's my blue. Now I'm making some red. So after I finished making my peanut butter Play-Doh, I used a little bit of food dye and made the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, which is the biggest one, so if you're super lucky, that's the one you're gonna get. Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. And so, since Pluto is sort of debatable, oh no, my teeth are totally gonna turn blue. Alright guys, for real now, right? Stay curious, keep on playing, keep on having a great time, and keep on sciencing.